How to turn on and off data saver mode on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to turn data saver mode on and off on Spotify. This feature is super handy if you are looking to save on mobile data while streaming. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Spotify app on your mobile and make sure that you are logged in with your Spotify account. And once you are inside the Spotify account, simply tap on the profile icon shown on the top left corner of the screen. And the menu will pop up from the left side. From there, simply tap on Settings and Privacy, and you will be prompted to the Settings section. Now, on the Settings section, you can simply scroll down and tap on Data Saving and Offline. And once you have tapped on that, you will see the interface like this. Now it is set on automatic, but if you want to turn it on, you can simply tap on and this will reduce your streaming quality and turn off features like canvas to save data. But if you want to turn it off, you can simply tap on off and this will again restore regular streaming quality and features. And that's it. Now you know how to turn data saver mode on and off in Spotify. It's a simple trick that can save you a lot of data when you are on the go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.